Waxahatchee. We're gonna start off looking at how she plays the song live. So here we're gonna have the capo on the 2nd fret, and we're only gonna need 3 chords for this song. So we start off with the intro, and here we start with an A chord, and then we go to E, and we play the E for twice as long. So that's the first round of the intro, and then we go to D to start off the 2nd round, and then we go back to A and to E. So in the intro we have A, E, and then D, A, and E. And the strumming pattern is down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. 1, 2, and 3, and 1, 2, and 3. But in the intro, we're gonna add emphasis on the first up strum. So we're gonna play down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. So that's only for the intro, where we have the emphasis on the up strum. And in the verse and in the chorus, we have the same chords. So we have D, A to E. And here we also have the same strumming pattern. So we continue with the down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. And in the rest of the song here, we skip the emphasis on the up strum. So we have a slight emphasis only on the first down strum. If we want to play the song as on the studio album, we want to have the capo on the 4th fret instead. And because of that, we're gonna play some different chords. So in the intro, we're gonna have G, and then to D for twice as long. And then in the 2nd round of the intro, we start off with a C, and then back to G, to D. And here we're going to use the same strumming pattern, but we're not going to put emphasis on the up strum. And for the verse and choruses, we're going to keep the strumming pattern, and we're going to play C, G,